Hey guys, today we're taking you inside a really cool solar install we did recently up in Breckenridge. This is the Panorama House, and yep, it's as beautiful as it sounds. This home sits at 403 Rivette Drive, and fun fact, it's actually for sale right now, so you can check it out on Zillow to see all the gorgeous interiors too. Okay, now let's talk about the solar setup. We installed 48 REC Alpha Pure 400-watt solar panels split into 4 strings of 12. Each one has its own Enphase IQ microinverter, which means the system is super efficient. Even if one panel's shaded, the others still perform at their best. All those panels feed into this Enphase combiner panel on the side of the house, and from there, the power heads inside to the solar generation panel. This is where it gets fun. The home has Enphase battery storage, and here's how it works. The solar power goes into the battery first, keeping it charged and ready. If the battery's full, any extra solar gets used by the house, and if there's still more, that power gets sent back to the grid, spinning the meter backward and giving the homeowner credits. That's net metering in action, and wait till you see the garage. This home is also outfitted with the full Savant electric car charging suite, plus backup battery systems that integrate seamlessly into the whole setup. It's clean, powerful, and totally future-ready. Whether you're charging your EV or running your home during a power outage, this system has it covered. This home was built by Thrive Homes, and they're actually working with us now on their Staples Village community in Breck, where we're installing more systems just like this one. We also set this home up with a transfer switch, emergency load panel, and everything it needs to stay powered even during outages, which is a big win when you're living in the mountains. So if you've ever wondered what a high-end battery-backed solar system looks like, this is it. Let us know what you think in the comments, and as always, reach out if you've got questions about solar or want to chat about your own home or project.